Hello and welcome everyone. In the vibrant city of Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, residents are accustomed to witnessing the slow and steady movement of sloths crossing the road. This can be quite the spectacle, as their journey across the street can take hours without exaggeration. Consequently, whenever a sloth is spotted, it's common for someone to pull over, get out of their car, and gently assist the sloth to the other side, thereby saving both the sloth and motorists a lot of time. The sloth, a truly unique creature, is distinguished by its name, literally meaning lazy. But what makes the sloth so aptly named? And before we dive into this fascinating topic, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. The sloth is a mammal that resides in the trees of rainforests across Central and South America. It belongs to two primary families, the two-toed sloths and the three-toed sloth. As their names suggest, two-toed sloths have 2 digits on their front limbs, while three-toed sloths have 3. On average, sloths measure between 60 to 80 centimeters in length and weigh between 3 to 10 kilograms. They lack external ears and tails, and their bodies are entirely covered in long fur. Their vision and hearing are quite poor, but their sense of smell is exceptionally strong, and they possess an impressive spatial memory. Interestingly, sloths have extra vertebrae at the base of their neck, allowing them to rotate their heads up to 270 degrees, similar to an owl. Primary reason for the sloth's name is its extreme slowness. It takes a sloth around a minute to travel a distance of 1.5 to 2 meters, a distance that a human can cover in just a few steps. In fact, some turtles move faster than sloths. But what accounts for this sluggishness? Primary reason is their diet. Sloths are essentially tree dwellers, relying on trees for nearly everything. They eat from them, sleep on them, and even mate on them. They consume a diet predominantly made up of leaves, about 99% of their diet, rarely eating seeds or fruits. They feed on over 90 different types of trees, but their favorite is the scroby tree, known for its large leaves. Sloths rarely descend from trees to drink water, instead relying on rainwater collected on leaves for hydration. If necessary, they compensate for any additional fluid requirements from the water content in the leaves themselves. But why is their diet and hydration such a challenge? The explanation lies in the nutritional value of leaves, which is extremely low. Moreover, the process of digesting leaves is slow, taking weeks to complete. Sloths have a complex digestive system, relying on beneficial bacteria to ferment and break down the leaves. This lengthy digestion process means that a single leaf can remain in a sloth's stomach for up to 30 days. Consequently, sloths have very little energy for activities, contributing to their slow movements. Another factor contributing to their sluggishness is their low muscle mass. Sloths have less than 25% muscle mass compared to their body weight, whereas most other mammals have about 50%. This results in slower muscle responses, including those responsible for movement. Additionally, sloths are colorblind and have poor vision, only seeing well in low light. This visual impairment means they take longer to navigate their environment, adding to their slow pace. Despite these challenges, sloths have developed effective survival strategies. They stay high in the trees, where they have everything they need, and descend only when absolutely necessary, such as once a week to defecate. They prefer to dig a hole for this purpose, covering it up like a cat would. Although this process is energy-consuming and risky, if a sloth encounters a predator, such as a jaguar, it doesn't simply surrender. Sloths possess strong, long claws, second only to the giant armadillo in the world, which they use to defend themselves. Their claws can grow up to 10 centimeters long, and they use them to intimidate potential threats. Despite their sluggishness, sloths are 3 times stronger than humans and can use their teeth if needed. When it comes to protection from predatory birds, sloths employ camouflage. Their fur, which can sometimes grow a green layer of algae, blends seamlessly with the branches they cling to. This, coupled with their slow movements, makes it difficult for predators to spot them. Interestingly, although sloths are mammals and warm-blooded, they do not regulate their body temperature like other animals. Instead, they absorb heat from their surroundings, such as sunlight. This adaptation helps them avoid detection by heat-seeking predators like snakes. Moreover, sloths are excellent swimmers, moving 3 times faster in water than on land. They They can hold their breath for up to 40 minutes, using water as a refuge when danger approaches. So, despite their slow and seemingly vulnerable nature, sloths have evolved remarkable strategies for survival. Thanks for sticking with us through this deep dive into the world of sloth. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and let us know your thoughts in the comments. And if you have any questions or curiosities, drop them below, and we'll be happy to answer them. See you next time.